Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday. And guess where I'm going? Yep, sure am. Going to Wally World. I'm going to Wally World. Yes, I am. And guess what else? We're expecting like 9 to 10 inches of snow this weekend. So, Walmart ought to be interesting. Very interesting. So, we'll see what's going on over there. And, that's so funny. I gotta go get some dog food. Anyway, I'll, sure enough let you know what's going on over there. I just want to tell my friend this morning, I hope she feels better. She had to go to the hospital last night, and, not Arlene, a different friend. She knows who she is, and so I just hope she feels better, and I want her to come home and be healthy and happy. And, anyway, I'll see what's going on over there. We'll, I gotta go to Aldi's too, so I'll see what's going on in Aldi's. I got on my pretty red, Christmas sweatshirt today. Okay, hang in there with me. We'll see what we can find today. Nose is running. Always. Pulling into, whoops, turn the radio down. Turning into Walmart. We'll see what the parking lot looks like. There's the Taco Bell. Let's see. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's see what's happening. Oh, there's lots of cars, I believe. I can't really tell. So we're going to find out. Let's go this way. Yeah, there's a lot of cars over here. Yeah, there's lots of cars. I can't wait to get inside to see what's going on inside. All right, we're going in. There she is. In all her glory. Hold on a minute. Merry Christmas to you too. Going in. Uh-oh, focus. There you go. Sorry, it was blurry. Candy. All kinds of candy. Christmas is coming, people. Better get ready. All I got to say. You're going to be here before you know it. Hershey's miniatures. Those are good. Okay. Isn't that cute? Okay. I'm walking down here to see if I can find some fingernail polish. I want some Christmas green, but I got a feeling I'm not going to find any. Nah, I need the kind of green I want. I want Christmas tree green, like dark. But I don't think they got any. Nope. How about Christmas red? It's pretty red. Miracle gels. Huh. $7.14. Ooh. I don't know about that. Okay. Now, I'm striking out in here. I can't find anything. They don't have any Christmas with the red and green totes. That's kind of weird. Anyway, I'm going to get some of this if they've got the right kind I need. Probably don't, because they didn't last week. It doesn't look like it. Okay, Caesar, what's up with the chicken? Here's the pretty fishies. Oh, those are cool. They look like little bitty black drum. Oh, there's the ones that glow in the dark. Oh, look at the goldfish. They're pretty. Yeah. Well, with these 10 inches of snow we've got coming, there's no run on the milk yet. It looks good. Maybe people ain't listening to the weather. Who knows? They got plenty of milk. They sure do. I got plenty of milk at home too. My favorite things in the whole wide world. I got blueberry today. Yep, sure did. All the different flavored candy canes. Wow, Hershey's. You know me, Hershey's chocolate. I bet them are good. Lifesavers, Dum-Dums, regular ones. Yep, blueberry. Wow, they got a lot of good Christmas candy out here. Got a lot of good novelty stuff or stocking stuffers. Look. Look across here. Yes. Let's look at it. Somebody give me that for Christmas. Yeah. Okay, I'm out of there. I got a real good parking place, and I bet somebody's waiting on it, but they're just going to have to wait. Look, I got me a necklace. Tinkle, tinkle. Isn't that cute? It's $3. I thought it'd look cute for Christmas to run around in today. I just got these little earrings on today. I don't have any of my other holes, but I got 4 holes in each ear. Yeah, but I don't have my little ones, one of the little ones in today. Anyway, tinkle, tinkle. I had a good time in there. There's not many people here. Knowing that 10 inches of snow's coming, I was super duper surprised. I mean, there were some crowded spaces. Actually, over in Housewares, it was like I don't know what they was doing over there, but in the grocery department, it wasn't that bad at all, really. And like they had plenty of milk, and I don't know. I guess people haven't seen the weather forecast. Anyway, I still got my 24-hour lipstick on. It's hanging in there. Okay, let me go. I think somebody wants my parking place. I'm right here beside the buggy rack, and it's a good place, so I think they're waiting on me, so I better go. All right. I'll check you when I get to Aldi. Yes. And, Stacy, I hope you're okay, honey. I'll be checking on you in a little while. Yeah, I am. I'm going in for just a minute. Turn the radio down. Right-handed. And I had the phone in my right hand. It's kind of hard to do. Oh, there's a little snowman. He's blowing away. Hey, little snowman. Ooh, hey, little snowman. Okay, going to Aldi. Cut right through here. Good night. The parking lot's packed in here. Yep. And the little shopping center I was back there a while ago at the Dollar Tree where the Lowe's Foods is, it was packed too. But there she is. We're going in. As soon as I find a place to park. 'Tis the season to be Aldi's. Oh, look at the cute little sleigh. I have a sleigh at home. Mine's made out of metal. That's cute though. Yeah. Oh, snowman. He's cute too. Look. Yeah, he's cute. They got cute stuff in here. There's that basket. They marked it down to $6.99. It was $12.99. That's a good buy. Yeah, nice little Christmas present for somebody. Yep. See, look. Yep. Cute. Okay, this is special for my friend that's in the hospital. Look at it. Ain't it sweet? It says it wants you to get well soon. Soon, soon. Gosh, if I lived close to you, I'd buy you that. I sure would. Here I am with all these good sweet stuff. Pies and cakes and cookies and donuts. Oh my. Yummy, yummy. These are good. But since I just had a chocolate birthday cake, I'm going to have to pass right now. I bet that cream sampler is good too. Yeah. See, I want to show you. So you get 6 here for how much? Where's the price? $2.69? $2.69? I think. Not bad. I wish I could film a little more in here, but they got some cute things. Look at this snake for kids. There's a lot of people in here, so 20-pack collection of action heroes. Then they have all these action heroes too, which are nice, really. So they're $7.99. There's the Black Panther, Captain America, Iron Man, Spider-Man. They have a drone. They have art kits. Looks like old Atari games. Books and stuff for little kids. Some Paw Patrol stuff. There's Baby Alive stuff. Sure is. There's the for reals. Those are cute. They are really, really cute. And Mr. Potato Head. Miss Potato Head. See, they have all kinds of good stuff. Oh, ding, ding, ding. Oh, koala bear. Koala. Yeah. Christmas stuff, candies. We've already looked at these though. That's still a good buy right there for those chocolates. Trying to find something to go in my husband's lunchbox. But anyway, I bought some of these at Walmart a while ago. I think I may get another box. I love these things. Yeah, let's get some more of them. And I don't know. A nice bag of cookies and stuff right there for $2.99. They look good. I might get those. Yeah, get those. And I got sweet tart candy canes. Okay. They had these two set of these tins. They're big too. Good bite, good price. $1.50 a piece, so that wouldn't be too bad for the big ones. Yep. I saw them rinky dinky ones over at Dollar Tree a while ago. Well, I have to say, Aldi's was wild. I mean, everybody and their brothers over here. Holy Pete. I mean, it's buggy bumpers in there. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to go by Food Line. I'm going to get me some cream, spray cream in the can. I got to have some of that. So I was going to get it at Walmart a while ago, and I was like, well, I ain't going home right away, and I don't know how long I'm going to stay out, so I'll just get it at Food Line on my way in. All right. Yeah, all this is crazy. But I'll show you what I bought when I get home. I'll show you everything I bought while I was gone. All right. I'll see you at Food Line. Or McDonald's. Hot chocolate. Yeah. Yep, it's coming up. You ready for deliciousness? Oh, sweet snowstorm. Yum. Oh my God. I'm hungry too. I hadn't eaten all day. Look here. Holy moly. Look here. No, I ain't gonna go without this. Ding. Signature sauce. Signature sauce. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. I'm going to eat some of these right now. Then I'll go home and show you what I bought. Okay. I am home. Show you what I bought. I got these at the dog food store. 12 cans for her. And I got her this case of Caesar. I usually give her these as a like a snack or something. She likes them for breakfast sometimes. But she mainly eats this kind of dog food. But I kind of use these as like a snack. Okay, let me see if I can find my Dollar Tree stuff. Hold on. Okay, this is what I got at Dollar Tree. Got a tree skirt for my 4-foot tree. It needed something. It's kind of cute. Yeah, it's all right for just a little cover up. I got 2 packs of these for my husband to take to work. Lollipops, you know, Tootsie Roll Pops, and I got me 2 boxes of these. You know, I love my goobers. And I bought me a pack of this. I love this stuff. It's so let me get it on the American writing here. Aluminum foil sheets. Just grab one and go. Yep, they're simple. That's why I like them so good. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm going to show you what I bought at Aldi's. I got some of these croissants, the large ones. They were $2.69 for 6, so I thought that was a pretty good buy. Yeah, but I'm going to make me some chicken salad. I'll show you in a minute. I got me some more raisins. Actually, these are raisins to go in oatmeal when I fix my husband's oatmeal. He likes raisins in it, so raisins. I bought this bag of cookies for just a extra little snack for his lunch every day. I'm going to put a few Christmas cookies in his lunch bag. I thought that'd be cute. The romaine's back, so I bought me some. So, if y'all don't hear from me in a few days, you'll know something happened to me, right? Okay. I love this, the spinach. It's so good on sandwiches. I use it like lettuce, you know, salads and sandwiches. I love it on sandwiches. Really, really super duper good on sandwiches. All right. And I bought I think you saw that I got these, the Andes mints, which I love, love, love. And I got me a bag of these oranges, halos. And I know they're super duper sweet. Oh, and I also got this, one of my English cucumbers. So, yep, we're going to have some halos in a little while. So let me put this stuff up. And I got these. One more thing from Aldi. My husband take to work. Okay. All right, that's it for that Aldi. So let me get Walmart ready. Okay, I'm going to try to get through some of the Food Line stuff. This is chicken. I'm just leaving it in here because I don't take it out of the bag when I put it in the refrigerator because it's kind of gross. So we're just going to leave it in that bag. I got a pack of ranch dressing. I got a pack of Taco Bell taco seasoning. That stuff is good. It's about the best they have. I've tried them all. And Taco Bell is the best. Okay. They had the drinks 4 for $9 today. So I got 2 Sierras, 2 Pepsis, which I've still got plenty left from what I bought last week. But, you know, stocking up. Just stocking up. All right. I got oatmeal pies. I bought, I had to stop by Lowe's, and I got some chocolate milk. You know, they got chocolate cows at Lowe's, too. I had forgot to get it at the Food Line, so I had to stop by the Lowe's on the way in and pick it up. I got my cream. 1, 2, you know, extra creamy. Yep, sure did. I love this stuff this time of year. I never buy it except for at Christmas time. It's just a treat for me. And then I found this one. So, I'll let you know how that tastes. I might taste this before I hang up on my video today and let you see how I like it. All right, got me some buttermilk for my ranch dressing. Husband, his favorite potato chips. He loves these things, Munchos. I bought a bag of grapes. They were really super duper sweet today. Like sugar balls. Delicious. I bought old-fashioned oatmeal, Quaker, and I bought hamburger buns, the golden ballparks. Man, these things, oh my goodness gracious, these are the best hamburger buns. They're so soft. Look at them, they're beautiful. Okay. All right, then I got some snack stuff in case it snows us in. Mozzarella sticks, they were on sale. They were on $2 a box. They were buy one, get one free. I got some mozzarella sticks, and I got us a little pizza we can eat one day for lunch. I like pepperoni. He likes cheese. So just little individual ones, you know, one day we can have for lunch if we get snowed in. And I like these for lunch. I might eat this for lunch tomorrow or Friday. These flatbreads, they're really, really good. And I got another snow-in dinner. I never buy stuff like this unless, you know, I think we may need to stay at home, or you know, if we got 10 inches of snow coming, we don't want to go anywhere, so we'll just eat this. All right, which they're actually pretty good. Here's Red Baron French bread pizzas, because we like pizza. All right, here's my Andes. No, that's Walmart stuff. We finished up with Food Line here. I got these at Food Line. And I think that's it for my Food Line stuff. Yeah, okay, now let me show you what I got at Walmart. All right, Walmart. My favorite bananas in the whole wide world. Sure did. Been missing my bananas like henna in the last couple of days. I'm about to go crazy. All right, here's the Christmas box of Andes that I bought. You know, because I love them so good. So I just bought 2 of them. All right, here's some Velveetas I bought. Blueberries, my favorite ones in the whole wide, well, kind of. I like the orange cranberry, I think, the best, but I love the blueberry. And I also got my husband a box of the soft bake kind, so he can get him some energy, too. All right, I bought me another roll of this shelf paper to line my trays and different things with. I just like to use this stuff, you know. I use it for a couple of weeks, and I throw it away and put some more down. So, okay. I bought a bag of Hershey's Nuggets. I love these too. Yum, yum. They're so delicious. Yep. Christmas candy. It's going in my Christmas bowl. Alright. Cheetos. Of course. You know me and my Cheetos. Gotta have my Cheetos. I bought this stuff too. Popcorn. It's called Okie Dokie Popcorn. Look at it. How orange it is. Look. I get a glare off of it. It looks good. It's probably going to tear my stomach up. Look. Hot cheese. Yep. But we're going to have some anyway. Okie dokie. Yep. Hey, that'll keep you from eating so much of it, right? Mm-hmm, sure will. All right. Salted butter. Yep, salted. Sure is. All right, I had to have some of these because, you know, I probably got 5 or 6 packs of them around here somewhere, but I just can't find them. It's like buying spices. You think you got spices and you buy more spices and you wind up with 3 or 4 different kinds. I mean, 3 or 4 of the same thing. Well, that's what's happened here. I know I got my other ones in here somewhere in this house. I had to buy a pair of reading glasses. They're on my head. Okay, I found me 3 Pez dispensers. The Grinch, Cindy Lou Who, and Max, I think's the dog's name. Yep, aren't they cute? Hold on a second. I also got this set, too. I don't know if you see it or not. This Grinch set right here. Yeah, okay. Alright, we're going to try this Reese peanut butter cup stuff. Okay? You spray it in this spoon right here. That's enough. Alright, let me try it. Hold on. Oh my goodness gracious. Where's the spoon at? That's good. Oh my God, it's good. Delicious. Highly recommended. And I bought me a pair of dingly dangly earrings for Christmas. I thought these were cute. They're about the cutest ones they had. The rest of them look kind of, I don't know, childish. But I thought these were really cute. See, they got the, like, candy, peppermint candies. I thought they were cute. And, of course, I bought my little necklace thing, you know. Well, you can't show it to you. But anyway, I got that and this for me today. And I got this from Amazon this morning. It was outside. My coffee cup. Ain't that cute? I'm going to make me some hot chocolate with some cream on it. I sure am. But isn't that cute? Okay, that's it for my haul, I believe. And I think that's everything I bought. So, yeah, that's it. All right, well, have a good day. And I'll see you tomorrow. I got to run out. I got to go back over to another Dollar Tree and look for something else. Because this Dollar Tree didn't have it. And I got to go in Harris Teeter and get something in there. And I'll take you with me, and we'll see what we can get into tomorrow. All right, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.